Good morning, students. Today, our class is Social Science, and we will study a new chapter, Unit number 4, Early States of Political System in India. It is a very important chapter for you, and you have to read textbook with me. So, I am reading from textbook. You just open your textbook and read with me. Okay? Let's start. Early states of political system in India. We get information about the political system and institutions from the Vedic epics and Buddhist texts. In the Rigvedic period or Vedic period, the form of statehood was similar to that of Kabilai rule. Its head was called Rajaniya, who was to be elected. Political organizations like Sabha and Samiti existed. This community was also called Vish. Afterwards, different types of political systems were implemented in India. Janapad. About 1000 BC, the earlier state of different clans were established in Punjab and the Ganges River area. These were called Janapad. Janapad was the area or place of a person's inhabitant. The word Janapad is used in the sense of state. Janapad was a state system that was very unique from the clan society of Rigvedic age. It includes the states of different groups like Kuru and Panchal. Mahajanapad around 6th century and about 16 Mahajanapads have been found in India. Some of these Mahajanapads were republics while some were monarchy type of states. These Mahajanapads are outlined in the following table. I am reading this one. You just also read and listen to me. Mahajanapad, then capital, and then current location where it is situated right now. Mahajanapad Anga, capital was Champa, East Bihar. Vajji Vaishali, capital North Bihar. Mala Kushinara, area near Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Kashi Varanasi, capital Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Magadha Girivraj or Rajgir, South Bihar. Kosal Saravasti, Ayodhya, Ayodh, Uttar Pradesh. Vatsa Kusambi, areas near Prayaraj or Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Chedi Suktimati, the region between Yamuna and Narmada, central India. Panchal, Achitra and Kampilya, Badayu area near Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Sursen, Mathura region near Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Kuru, Indraprastha region near Delhi and Meerut. Asmaka, Paudania, the bank of river Godavari. So you have to read all these and more four are there. Avanti, Ujjaini, region of Malwa. Matsya, Viratnagar, region near Jaipur, Rajasthan. Gandhar, Takshashila, region near Peshawar and Rawalpindi. Kamboj, Lajpur, region near southwest Kashmir. According to the book According to the book Angautra Nikaya, written in Pali language, where there were 16 Mahajanapads in post-Vedic period. Some of the important tribes are shown in the map. You observe this map and you will find all these 16 Mahajanapads here in this map given. Monarchy, state system. The state in which the king was chief was called monarchy. Among the Mahajanapads of the time, there was competition for power, which mainly consisted of four powerful states: Magadha, Kosal, Vatsa, Avanti, in which Magadha eventually became famous as a powerful state. Magadha, at the time of Buddha, in monarchy state system, Magadha became powerful Mahajanapada. Three powerful dynasties ruled over Magadha. Number one, Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisar was founder of his dynasty. Headquarter or capital of Magadha was Rajgir or Girivraj, which was situated on the banks of Ganga and Son river. After him, his son Ajatsattu came to power and made Patliputra, now it is in Patna, his capital. He fought a war with Vaji Union and defeated Lijvis. In this way, he extended the rule of Magad. Nag dynasty, number B. Nag dynasty came to power after Haryanka dynasty, which includes king named Shishuna, uh, Naga, who was associated with Buddha religion. Nanda dynasty, number C. Nanda dynasty, established by Mahapadmananda, was most powerful. Mahapadmananda is considered to be the first Indian emperor. During his time, Magad had become the most powerful state of India. At this time of Alexander's invasion of India, Magadha was ruled by king named Dhananand of Nanda dynasty. Republic. Republic. A republic is a state directly or indirectly ruled by head who is elected by the people. The republic was a significant feature of the ancient state and system of governance. The common meaning of Gana is mass. A state run by more than one member can be called a republic. At this time, there were some states in which the king was chosen by the people. Such a state was called republic. There were republics of Lichvi, of Vaishali, Shakyas of Kapilavastu, Vidya of Mithila, Mala of Kushinara, etc. In such a system of affairs, each member was given the status of king. Things to know: Gana word was used for group of many members. Gana means organization or group. Sangha means organizations of or assembly. Organizations or assembly. Vaishali Vaji state. Monarchy wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. Seeing these Lichvis, Vajis, Gaituk, Vidya, Shaka, Malla, etc., 8 or 9 tribes who established the Union state for their protection was known as Vaji state. Vaishali, the capital of Lijvis, was the main center of Union state. Thus, it was named Republic of Vaishali. The state administration of the republic was governed by the Sabha, because of which it was called the republic. In republic, all the powers of house rested in the hands of the members. All the members sat in Sabha and all affairs were passed in the house by vote or unanimity. The place where meeting was held was called sanctum. The elderly as well as youth were selected as the member of the state assembly. The Republicans elected their president for the state administration, who was chosen by elections. In the republic, each member was considered as the king. Republics had their own councils in which many important issues like administration, defense, war, treaty, etc. were discussed and then decided. Any member could enjoy membership for a fixed time only. An executive committee assisted the president of the republic in the administration of the state. Social life and state administration of republic states. According to the archaeologists, people of this time lived in simple houses. They were associated with pastoral activities. At this time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. People might have been using clay vessels, especially because archaeologists have found some of these vessels. Some of the pottery found at this time had drawing on them. These utensils were painted in grey color. At this time, rule of every state did every possible thing for the defense of the state. For this reason, strong and high forts were built around the state capital. Plenty of stones and bricks were used in it. Some of the kings used to build large, tall, and magnificent walls around their kingdom to showcase their power and prosperity. The brick wall for Prayagraj dates back around 2500 years ago. So we can say that forts with high walls might have been constructed all the time. All the Mahajanapads of this time needed a large army and had a strong fort for their defense. People were taxed to meet these needs. Farmers used to give sixth part, means one sixth part of their yield to the treasury. The artisans used to work for the state for one day in a month. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax. The merchants used to pay tax on sale of goods. During the period of Mahajanapada, agriculture started to improve due to iron tools. So here your activity is over. I hope the only things to know is remaining. Let's read one time. Mahavir Swami and Gautam Buddha both wandered in these republics of pedestrians. Buddhist and Jain scriptures give us information about the republic. Since Mahatma Buddha was born during the era of republic, the era is also known as Buddhist era. Era means period of time. At other places of the world, the way in which the cities of Sparta, Athens, Rome, Greece, etc. are described as democratic states. In the same way, republics of ancient India can be represented as democratic states. Here your chapter number 4 is completed. I hope you will read 2 to 3 times, then you will understand very clearly. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.